Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant. This game is a thrilling 5 versus 5 tactical shooter where two teams compete. One team attacks, aiming to plant a device called the spike, while the other defends. If the spike is planted, the defenders must defuse it before it explodes. Each round is fast-paced, lasting around 1 minute and 40 seconds, demanding quick thinking and precise action from every player. Next, let's talk about agents and their powerful abilities. You can choose from over 20 distinct agents, each with a unique set of 4 abilities. These include a signature ability, 2 purchasable abilities, and a powerful ultimate ability that charges over time. Mastering these abilities is crucial for success, as they allow you to create strategic plays, control areas, and gain a significant advantage over your adversaries. Understanding Valorant's economy is vital for victory. You earn credits by winning rounds, getting kills, and planting or defusing the spike. Use these credits to purchase powerful weapons, essential armor, and your agent's abilities at the start of each round. Rifles like the Vandal and Phantom are excellent choices, and remember that heavy armor, costing 1,000 credits, provides significant damage reduction, keeping you in the fight longer. Finally, mastering map knowledge and teamwork will elevate your gameplay. Familiarize yourself with each map's layout, including common angles and choke points. Constant and clear communication with your team is paramount for coordinating attacks, defenses, and rotations. Work together to develop and execute effective strategies. Consistent practice of your aiming and movement mechanics will also significantly improve your overall performance in every match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.